Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. Today in this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python comments. So first of all, what are comments in Python? So comments provide description or information about the program and its code. Comments gives easy understanding of program by others. So when any other person is reading or reviewing your program, then they will get the easy understanding using comments. So the main advantage of comments is easy upgradation and modification of program. So we have two types of comments. Okay. First one, single line comments. So we give single line comments using hash. Second one, multi-line comments. So we give multi-line comments using triple quotes. So triple quotes opening, multi-line comment, and triple quote closing. Okay, right. So for example, you can write it like this: hash program to demo Python comments. Okay, and then triple opening quotes A10 B20 sum A plus B print sum. Okay, so here close the triple quotes. So these are multi-line comments. So basically comments are not compiled and they are not executed in any programming language. But in Python, comments are not interpreted or not executed in a program. Okay, so coming to here about in Python programming. Okay, so comments are not interpreted or executed in Python programming. They just provide description of a program. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. Program to demo Python comments using hash. So this is a single line comment. It is not executed. It is not displayed on the output screen. Next, I'm taking two variables A10, B20. So for this A10, B20, I'm giving one description. A value is 10, B value is 20. So any person who is reading the program, they will get easy understanding of program. So sum A plus B. So next I'm performing the sum. So sum equal to A plus B. Print sum. Right, so we'll execute till here. Okay, so save the program. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run Python comments example 1. So sum is 30. Right, so here program to demo comments is not displayed. A value is 10, B value is 20. It is also not displayed on the output screen. Next, coming to the multi-line comment. So this is a multi-line comment. Okay, so triple quote opening, triple quote closing. So it's a multi-line comment. It gives description of a program. It is not displayed in output. So even this is also not displayed in the output. Not executed, not displayed. Okay. Now coming to comments inside a function or class. Okay. So these are called as doc strings when we use comments in a function or class definition. So we'll see with function definition. So define f1 function. Now inside this I'm using triple double quotes. Opening f1 function prints hello user message. Close the triple double quotes. So print hello user Sai. So we are giving description of this function. So what this function is doing, it prints hello user message, and technically it is called as doc strings, document strings, and we do it with comments, triple double quotes as comments. So call f1 function. So it goes to the F1 function and prints hello user Sai. So this doc string, okay, description of the function is not executed, it is not interpreted. So come to the prompt and run it. So hello user Sai. Okay, right. So this is what is all about comments. So comments are not interpreted nor executed in Python programming. They just provide description of a program. Okay, right. So we can write comments anywhere in the program. Okay, so we can write comments at beginning or middle or last in program. Okay, so as per the requirement, we can use comments in our program. So that is what is all about comments in Python programming. Single line comment and multi-line comment. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.